Them no bad like we. Them no.
Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton and I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
TV now left my Glock 40. Yeah.
Wagwan viewers and subscribers from your device, you know it's your boy Soji TV with the next review, you know, and the next update, you know. Me I say yo, viewers and subscribers, I don't know if you never hear this artist before, but I come across this artist, goes by the name Meds Boss. Yes man, in drop a single title No Bad Like We. You see me? And his song have a vibes, he have a melody where anybody would have like it. Me catch on to his song already. You see me? Me just like how the artist are doing thing, and him look like another Jamaica him forward from, look like a Trinidad him forward from. You see me? You don't know, say Soji TV Entertainment love music, you know. So anyway, music there and the artist them a go on good. You know, Soji TV Entertainment I go make on a year what go on. Me not really know nothing about this artist still, you know, viewers and subscribers. So we just want to keep it short. I just want you guys to go over him Vivo, Meds Boss Vivo. Make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment send you know over there. See me, you can go check him out and listen to him song them and see say Soji not tell no lie. See him way. See me? He have a vibe and he have a flow. You see me? Yes man, you can see say in big over which part him forward from, because he reaching 100K subscriber upon his channels. Yes, see a long time him there what I do put in your work, but I first may hear about this artist, viewers and subscribers, and him song sound good, so I like you guys to go over there and give him a listen in ears. You see me? No joke.